Now, the third agenda of this module is defining customers. Let us consider defining customers together. The key question to ask at this phase is what are the unmet needs of the customers? First, we need to understand who the customers are and then what their requirements are. Among the requirements, there can be critical unmet needs of the customers. Customer is the one who buys or uses your products or services, and he or she is the one who receives the process output. We broadly classify customers into two categories: internal and external customers. Internal customers are the ones who are within the organization. They are management employees or any functional department in an organization. External customers are not a part of the organization. They are either the ones who use our product or services or have vested interest in organization. For example, clients and customers, shareholders, among others. As for customer needs or requirements, let us think about their needs first. Need is a desire or an expectation of a customer from a given product or service. Customers may have many stated needs, which are often vague and generally are wants from a product or service. For example, customer requires an air conditioner for its use in his or her bedroom. The real need of the customer is cool temperature in the bedroom. Similarly, the real want from the air conditioner is that it has to be quiet, cost effective, and maintenance free. When the customer states his or her requirements, we will often get to hear that the need is cool temperature, less noise, cost effective, and free of maintenance. However, cool temperature is the need and the rest are just wants. It is important for the project team to understand the stated needs of the customer and separate them from wants. The KANO model is a framework designed to prioritize features based on the degree to which they will satisfy or delight the users. In other words, a model that helps to prioritize the features based on how much that feature will delight the users. Noriaki Kano first introduced the Kano model in Japan in 1984. He developed the model by researching the customer factors that relate to customer satisfaction and loyalty. These satisfiers are the things that must be there. For the air conditioner example from the previous slide, cooling the temperature down is the dissatisfier. If the air conditioner does not cool the room down, it is of no use, it's problematic. Satisfiers is a quality that makes a customer feel satisfied with the product or service. It is not essential, but more is better. For example, if the air conditioner cools down quickly, it will be great. If the AC does not have much noise when running, that's another satisfier. Delighter. Delighter is something not conspicuous on the surface, but when hit, people can be delighted with the product or service. In the case of an air conditioner, having air purification function can be a delighter. If the air conditioner can be used to generate electricity for the customer, there might be another delighter. If the AC can be remotely controlled on one's phone, it may give a customer to adjust the temperature outside of a home in advance. That could be another delighter. One thing that one should bear in mind in this KANO model is the dynamic nature of customer needs. Today, a low level of noise can be a satisfier, but tomorrow it can be a dissatisfier due to the development of the technology. Innovations make breakthroughs, and a company should periodically evaluate the market condition to see whether their satisfier became dissatisfier. Here, let's take a look at the question. The question is potentially the most difficult are to obtain meaningful information during the Six Sigma define phase would be A, from internal manufacturing process, B, from primary customers, C, from principal suppliers, D, from internal processes input areas. The answer is B, from primary customers. Getting the inputs from primary customers correctly is one of the most challenging things to do in process analytics. Here's another question. The key difference between internal and external customers is A, their interest in their product or service. B, internal customers can influence the design of the product. C, external customers usually influence the design of the product. D, external customers best determines the true quality of the product. The answer is D.